Good morning, my dear students. Today we discuss about second year zoology. Unit 1A, digestion. Chapter unit name is digestion. This is class 5. This is class 5. Today we discuss zoology second year unit 1A, digestion. Digestion. Digestion of proteins. Digestion of proteins. Digestion in small intestine. Digestion of proteins. Digestion in small intestine. So, trypsinogen and chymotrypsinogen and procarboxypeptidases. Trypsinogen. Trypsinogen. Digestion of proteins. Digestion of proteins. Trypsinogen and chymotrypsinogen and procarboxypeptidases. Procarboxy Procarboxypeptidases are inactive enzymes. Secretion of small intestine, some enzymes. The first one, trypsinogen, and the second one, chymotrypsinogen, and third one, procarboxypeptidases are inactive enzymes. These are the inactive enzymes. What are the inactive enzymes? Trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, and procarboxypeptidase. These enzymes secreted by small intestine. These are the inactive enzymes. These are the inactive enzymes. Okay. Trypsinogen is activated by enzyme enterokinase. Trypsinogen. Trypsinogen is activated by the enzyme enterokinase. Trypsin is activated by the enzyme enterokinase. Enterokinase secreted by intestinal mucosa. Enterokinase enzyme secreted by the intestinal mucosa or intestinal mucosa. Enterokinase. This is a enterokinase enzyme. Enterokinase enzyme secreted by intestinal mucosa. This is the small intestine. Small intestine. Interstitial mucosa is secreted by enterokinase enzyme. Enterokinase is enzyme activated by trypsinogen. Okay. Enterokinase secreted by interstitial mucosa. Okay. Into active trypsin. Which in turn activates the other enzymes, which in turn activates the other enzymes, enterokinase in turn activates the other enzymes. Okay, activates the other enzymes in the pancreatic juice. In the pancreatic juice, trypsin itself can similarly activate trypsinogen into trypsin. Trypsinogen activate into trypsin. So once again, digestion of proteins. Digestion of proteins. Okay. Trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, and procarboxypeptidase is inactivate enzymes. Is inactivate enzymes. Trypsinogen is activated by the enzyme enterokinase. Trypsinogen is activated by the enzyme enterokinase. Enterokinase secreted by interstitial mucosa. Enterokinase secreted by interstitial mucosa. Okay. Into a active trypsin. Into a active trypsin, which in turn activates the other enzymes, which in turn activates the other enzymes into the pancreatic juice. Into the pancreatic juice. Okay. Trypsin itself can similarly activate trypsinogen into trypsin. Okay. And if this is the digestion of proteins. This is the digestion of proteins in small intestine. Okay. This is the proteins of digestion. Okay. Trypsinogen. Trypsinogen is the enzyme, inactivated enzyme. Trypsinogen is the inactivated enzyme. Trypsinogen by enterokinase to be changed trypsin. Trypsinogen. Trypsinogen is the inactivate enzyme. This enzyme by the enterokinase to be changed trypsin are converted by trypsin. And trypsinogen, trypsinogen, trypsin converted by the trypsin is the autocatalysis. Is the reaction autocatalysis. Trypsin, trypsinogen by trypsin converted by trypsin is the autocatalysis. This process is autocatalysis. Okay. Chymotrypsinogen by trypsin to be changed chymotrypsin. 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 Chymotrypsinogen converted by chymotrypsin. Chymotrypsin. Once again, trypsin by enterokinase converted trypsin. Trypsinogen converted by trypsin. Trypsinogen by trypsin converted by trypsin is the autocatalysis process. Is the autocatalysis process. Okay. Next one, chymotrypsinogen. Chymotrypsinogen. Chymotrypsinogen by trypsin change to chymotrypsin. Chymotrypsinogen by change chymotrypsin. Okay. Next, proteins. Proteins and proteases. Proteins and proteases and peptones in the chyme. Chyme is the partially digested food material. Chyme is the partially digested food material. Chyme has proteins and proteases and peptones in the chyme. Reacting the intestine are acted upon by the proteolytic enzymes of the pancreatic juice and intestinal juice as shown below. So once again, proteins, proteases are peptones in the chyme. Okay, reacting the intestine are acted upon by the proteolytic enzymes of the pancreatic juice and intestinal juice as shown below. Okay, and next one, digestion of proteins. Next, proteases and peptones. One source, proteins, and second one, proteases, and third one, peptones by trypsin or chymotrypsin. Trypsin or chymotrypsin. Carboxypeptidase. Proteins, proteases, peptones to be changed, tripeptides and dipeptides. Tripeptides and dipeptides. Okay. Proteins, proteases, peptones, enzyme, trypsin and chymotrypsin, carboxypeptidase by tripeptides and dipeptides. Tripeptides and dipeptides. Tripeptides by tripeptidase to be changed, dipeptides and amino acids. Tripeptides by tripeptidase to be changed, dipeptides and amino acids. And next one, dipeptides. Dipeptides by dipeptidase. Dipeptidase to be changed amino acids. To be changed amino acids. So this is the proteins digestion in small intestine. Proteins digestion in small intestine. So once again, proteins, proteases, peptones changed by trypsin and chymotrypsin are carboxypeptidase to be changed tripeptides and dipeptides. Tripeptides and dipeptides. Okay. Tripeptides. Next one, tripeptides. 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 Tripeptidase by tripeptidase to be changed dipeptides and amino acids. Dipeptides and amino acids. Okay. Next one, dipeptides by dipeptidase. Dipeptides by dipeptidase to be changed amino acids. Amino acids. This is the digestion of proteins in small intestine. Small intestine secreted by mucosa. Mucosa have some enzymes. Enzymes digestion in proteins. This is a very important in IPE 4 marks. So this video listening completely and write this video prepared by notes. Then after studying the 1 or 2 times, it is very important in public examination. Okay, and this this process after end products is amino acids. This process completely, then after end products amino acids formed by small intestine. Small intestine end products digestion of proteins after end products is amino acids. This is the proteins digestion in small intestine or proteins digestion is the very important in this 4 marks question in public examination. Okay, next we meet next C6 class. Okay, in next video we discuss digestion of fats. Digestion of fats. We discuss C1 digestion or orally syllabus. Next C1 digestion of stomach. Next digestion of small intestine and digestive system and digestive glands secreted by enzymes. Digestive glands secreted by enzymes. Next very important digestion of fats. regularly watching these videos, overall preparation by notes, regularly reading that books. Okay, you get good marks in IP public examination. All are the students. Okay, bye.